Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into something special, Veganuary. Now, if you haven't heard of Veganuary, it's a global movement that encourages people to try vegan for the month of January. It's all about starting the new year with a fresh, healthy, and compassionate vibe. So let's jump right in and talk about my top 10 vegan foods you absolutely need to try this Veganuary. And trust me, these are not just tasty, but also super versatile for whipping up some delicious meals. First up, we've got chickpeas. These little gems are packed with protein and fiber. You can make a creamy hummus, a hearty chickpea curry, or even some crispy roasted chickpeas for a snack. They're a total game changer. Next, let's talk about tofu. I know, tofu can seem intimidating, but it's all about how you prepare it. Marinate it, bake it, scramble it, or toss it in a stir fry. It's a blank canvas that soaks up flavors like a sponge. Moving on to lentils. These are a vegan's best friend. Think lentil soup, stews, and even vegan shepherd's pie. They're hearty, filling, and oh so nutritious. Number 4 is quinoa. This ancient grain is a powerhouse of protein and perfect for salads, bowls, and even breakfast porridges. It's light, fluffy, and pairs well with just about anything. Now, let's not forget about avocados. These creamy delights can be smashed on toast, blended into smoothies, or turned into a decadent guacamole. Plus, they're loaded with healthy fats. Halfway there with sweet potatoes, roast them, mash them, or turn them into fries. Sweet potatoes are versatile and add a natural sweetness to your dishes. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, we've got almonds. From almond milk to almond butter and even almond flour, these nuts are incredibly versatile. They're great for snacking, baking, and adding a crunch to your salads. Coming in at number 8, it's kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse. Throw it in smoothies, salads, or make some crispy kale chips. It's a fantastic way to get your greens in. Number 9, mushrooms. Whether you're using portobello, shiitake, or button mushrooms, these fungi are a meaty substitute in your dishes. Think mushroom burgers, stir fries, and rich mushroom gravies. Finally, let's talk about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all bursting with antioxidants, perfect for topping your morning oats, blending into smoothies, or just snacking on. So there you have it, my top 10 vegan foods for Veganuary. I hope you're as excited as I am to try these out. Remember, going vegan even just for a month can have a huge positive impact on your health and the planet. So give it a go and let me know your favorite vegan recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious vegan content. Happy Veganuary, everyone. See you next time.